Are you preparing for NEET exam? What if you don't have to turn the pages of boring NCERT book again for revision? Yes, that's true. MemoNeet has questions taken from each and every line of NCERT book with a special revision algorithm that moves all these questions from your temporary memory to permanent memory. Results? No more forgetting the NCERT lines. What happens if you don't forget the NCERT lines? NEET has become a standard exam all over India, and hence NEET has become equivalent to NCERT nowadays, especially for biology and inorganic chemistry, which are easy to score. You need to remember each and every lines of NCERT. So, when you use MemoNeet and practice questions from each and every line, that's the best active revision you can do. Remember, the only difference between a topper and a normal student is the revision they do. So, why are you waiting? Click on the link and subscribe to MemoNeet app now.